Welcome to this video about Globe Product Update 398. In this section, SKU management will be addressed. Pickett, Exact's warehouse management solution, has been renamed to WMS to reflect its growing functionality and full integration into Exact Globe as a standard module. One of the functional areas of growth for WMS is the addition of stock keeping unit management, or SKU management for short. In the demonstration which follows, we'll take a look at SKU management and its addition to WMS in Product Update 398. Reducing the amount of data entry when you fulfill a sales order, transfer goods, or count stock in your warehouse increases the speed at which transactions can be executed and reduces errors. This increase in efficiency and productivity per warehouse transaction can quickly result in significant cost savings. In Exact Globe, stock calculations and transactions are registered in sales units. For example, if you receive an order for 10 boxes of wine with 6 bottles each, Exact Globe registers a transaction of 60 bottles of wine. As a consequence of this, for every logistical transaction for a box of wine that you register using a barcode scanner, you must enter or scan the warehouse location, the item, and the quantity. Additionally, if the item is a serialized or batch item, this must also be scanned. This results in 3 to 5 scanning actions per transaction if serial and batch numbers are required. Wouldn't it be easier if all that information could be captured under a single barcode and therefore one scanning action? By using the concept of stock keeping unit management, this now becomes possible. The same order fulfillment for the same box of wine now could look something like this. In this case, the stock keeping unit is the box of wine, and the unique number assigned to that particular box of wine is the SKU number. SKU numbers are numbers that are connected to all of the information entered at the time the goods were received. This includes warehouse location, item, quantity, as well as serial or batch number. The SKU number is generated and assigned when goods are received in the warehouse. SKUs can be automatically printed, and the picker can register all information for each box of wine under a unique SKU number. Once the SKU number is assigned, transactions such as sales order fulfillments, counts, transfers, replenishments, and issues will become much more efficient and less mistakes will be made. With Product Update 398, it becomes possible to create both inner and outer SKUs in the WMS module. Using our example, the inner SKU is the box of wine, and the outer SKU could be a pallet containing 10 boxes of wine. In addition to the increase of efficiency and productivity, other benefits included with the addition of SKU management to WMS include that the system will now advise you about where to store items based on the dimensions of inner and outer SKUs. FIFO registration of non-serial batch items because the SKU creation date is registered in the database. And finally, complete tracking and tracing within the warehouse because who handled which SKU number within the warehouse is now registered. This video provides you an introduction to the concept of SKU management and its benefits. For more information regarding the WMS module within Exact Globe, please contact your local Exact representative.